Alright guys, what is up? I'm back from the computer store and just kind of want to go over what I found. This video is going to be how to build a gaming computer within $150. I went to the computer store and picked this baby up, and that tower was $100. If you just want to check out the receipt there, got the address, where it's located. Good place to go pick up some cheap towers. For $123, if that'll focus, I got this graphics card, another graphics card, 2 sticks of RAM DDR3, these are 2 gig sticks, keyboard, mouse, and a DVI port, so I'm gonna need that. Then if you need the other parts, we have here looks like a 22-inch Acer monitor. This one's from Goodwill. Paid $10 for that. That came with the wires, cables. The hard drive, we got a terabyte hard drive here. This was also from Goodwill, believe it or not. I got that out of a DVR box. Like one of those DVR boxes people have. If you tear those things apart, you could just, you'll find terabyte hard drives, and I paid $8 for it. Tore it apart and got me a nice hard drive, which I'm gonna use for this build. Something else I found at Goodwill, $4 for a fan. Make sure, when you're shopping for a tower, that you get a tower that has a product key, which this is a custom case. It's a Coolmaster. It has a product key, that's pretty much the main reason why I went with this one. I got a little short video. Let's open up this case here, kind of go over what it comes with. We got a i5 right there. That's a 3.0 gigahertz. We got 4 slots of RAM, which is great. These are 4 gig sticks, DDR3. So that's pretty nice. I'll just kind of go over if the camera will focus. Got 4 gigs, DDR3. 2 of those sticks, so currently has 8 gigs. And then I also picked up these DDR3. And they even gave me a static resistant anti-static bag, which is really nice. I picked up some more RAM for it. So it also came with a graphics card. It has the HDMI in it, DVI, VGA, got some USB 3.0s right there, an onboard HDMI, which is really nice. Got the audio ports, everything I need. We got dual graphics, dual PCI Express slots for some graphics cards. Put 2 of them in there. This is nice black power supply. Not sure how many watts it is, but if I had to guess, I'll say it's probably like an 800 watt power supply. So you can check out these wires. It got the 8 prong going right to the motherboard right there, that's really nice. We got your standard 24 pin prong. This nice black thing around it. We got a lot of solder ports in there. It's great. Got a lot of hard drive space. 4 disk drives. Got another fan right here, which is nice. I'm gonna add this one somewhere around here, maybe up top. Yeah, guys, I'll put this computer together. All together, it should have 12 gigs of RAM, a terabyte hard drive, and yeah, i5 in it. If you want to check out the price tag, it's still there. Pick this one up. I got a short video of the inside of that store. Yeah, guys, I'll piece this thing together. I'm sorry I can't record as I'm working on it, but you get the idea. I mean, it's all here. Also nice thing it comes with that little Wi-Fi port right there. So nice. I got one of those. That's why I brought out this old laptop I have laying around. Then I also have this one if I need to pick up some Wi-Fi with that. If this thing don't work, got one right there. So I'll probably stick this baby in there. And yeah, guys, put together this nice gaming computer for under. You want to add all this things up? I only paid like $150 for everything. $10 for the monitor, $100 for the tower. The hard drive came from a cable box. You know, if you got an old cable box laying around your house, tear it apart. You'll be surprised. It probably has a terabyte in it or something. Alright guys, I'm gonna pause the video, put the computer together, and then we'll be ready to go.
Because on Saturday, like right when I came home, I went straight to bed.
Alright, so now.
Yeah, so I probably didn't see it till Sunday morning. But that definitely would have been cool.
Gotta make a video for YouTube. No.
Just don't get me in it.
No, I'll blur everything out and do a voiceover. Alright guys, I'm back. I pieced it all together. We got 12 gigs of RAM, an i5 Intel processor. That's a 3.0 gigahertz. We also have this. I'll probably upgrade a graphics card some other day, but for now this one's gonna have to work. It's a Nevada GeForce 8800 GT, 512 megabytes. So it's not the best, but it's decent. It also takes a 6-prong power. So yeah, it's kind of old. It's probably a DDR2, but for now that's gonna have to work. I put this Wi-Fi thing in there, and I'm not sure if that Wi-Fi thing is gonna work, but it's in there. If anything, it could probably dual band with the one in the PCI slot. And here we just got some slow Wi-Fi card. Obviously, I'm not gonna game over Wi-Fi. If I'm gonna game, I'm gonna go in, plug in a Ethernet wire. So it's all good. We got the hard drive in there, got a terabyte, and let's fire this baby up. I never tried this computer, so if it doesn't work, then it doesn't work, and that'll probably be the end of the video. But I'm pretty sure it'll work, because if it doesn't work, I'll fix it. And once again, I need to get a Windows 7 Pro. Got a sticker there. It's covering up my product key. I need to get a I gotta put Windows 7 on a USB jump drive, so I'll go do that. But right now, let's fire this baby up, and then let's see if it works. Alright guys, let me pause the video and let's get to it. Alright guys, I'm back. I got picture now. It worked by putting in this other graphics card in there. So I know the wire's fine. Just wouldn't get me picture with this one. Not sure what it is. It's probably just a little too old. But either way, what does it matter? I mean, I practically got that for free, and this graphics card for free. Considering I only paid $120 for both those graphics cards, came with this graphics card inside of it with the HDMI. Got the 2 pieces of RAM, and there you guys have it, man. That is how you could get a cheap gaming computer. Just go to a your local computer recycle place and just kind of, go through their stuff and find something you could work with. And there you guys go. Look, reboot, select proper boot device or enter boot media, blah 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 blah. Let's get into the BIOS and see what the BIOS could read me, and I will make this video. Let's hit F12 or F10. Something's got to work. F2. Come on, get me in that BIOS. All right. Please select boot. Obviously, you can see it right there. That should be your hard drive. Let's enter setup. Check out the BIOS on this thing. Wow. And does my mouse work? Should work. All right, whatever. Total size memory. Looks like we got 12 gigs in there. Oh, nice. Oh, I get a CPU temperature, 35 Celsius, 36. Wow, check this thing out. That looks like 12 gigs of RAM, and CPU's at a 31 megahertz. That's 31. That's like 3.1 gigahertz. Very nice, very nice. We want to check out if this thing could read my hard drive, but wow, check that out. BIOS and stuff and all sorts of things here. This BIOS is ridiculous. It's not reading my mouse. Stupid mouse, whatever. The mouse is probably a piece of crap. I got more. Actually, I want you guys to check out this mouse. This thing is ridiculous. Alright, guys, I'm gonna set up the computer, fix it up, put it all together, ready. I'll probably just keep that graphics card for now. Check this out. Wireless mouse. $2 at the dollar store. I found a wireless mouse at my 99-cent store. And this thing actually works. Doesn't come with batteries, but obviously I put some in there. Wonder if I could just throw it in there and see if it works. Let's see. Mouse ain't probably working because it ain't USB 3. Look at that little prong sticking out. Right, let's put this bad boy in there. Turn on this mouse. Make it reading itself. Maybe no go. It's not working right now, but it's just probably because of the mouse and stuff. But yeah, there you go. $2 wireless mouse works freaking great. But yeah, I mean, there you guys have it. 12 gigs of RAM, i5 in there, nice video card. Got the terabyte hard drive. All of these, everything I got here is under $150. And that, you guys, is how you get yourself a good, cheap computer. Just make sure you go to your, computer recycle place. Once again, if you want to check out the receipt where I bought this bad boy. Check out that price tag. $3.0. It came with 8 gigs in it. I just bought 2 more other ones. There's my receipt. If you live in Phoenix, Arizona, there it is. Resell Electronics. Here's the address. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This ain't the end of this video. Once I'm done putting up Windows XP Pro on this, or not XP, Windows 7 Pro, I'm gonna go to the system ratings and see what it will rate this computer and see how it could run Microsoft Arrowhead, which will be awesome. I'm happy with my computer, guys, and please like and subscribe. And if you have anything, put it in the comment section. I want to hear what you think. For $150 for this computer, is that a good deal or is that not? I'm pretty sure it is a good deal. Remember the hard drive? I got this out of a cable box, kind of like one of these things, just like a DirecTV cable box, a DVR. This one probably has a 2 terabyte in it, and I bought it at Goodwill, and Goodwill had one for like $8, and I knew it had a hard drive, and I bought it, and it turned out to be that terabyte right there. Had, here's proof. I threw away all the scraps, but it had this weird wire connected to it. It's like a floppy right there, like a floppy's power. But yeah, guys, haven't put in the extra fan yet. I got some fans in there. This motherboard's ridiculous, guys. All right, guys, that's how you do it. That is a true gaming computer right there for under $150. Next will be the system rating, and thank you guys for watching. Let me pause this video. Alright, guys, done with the assessment here. Let's check out the scores. Got a 7.4 on that CPU, 7.6 on the memory, 5.0 on Arrowhead, 5.7 on 3D gaming, and a 5.9 on the hard drive. Obviously those graphics scores right there I'm not gonna keep this graphics card it's running in there. Let's look at what it got again. It got a GeForce 8600 GT. I think it's 256 megabytes of DDR2 graphics card. So obviously I'll replace that. I got more graphics cards laying around at the house inside my closet that are better than that. But just for now, just to show the build, I'm gonna use that one. So I think those scores are pretty high right there, especially the processor and the memory. And then that hard drive is pretty much standard unless I get a solid state hard drive. I could upgrade that. Right, let's what we got here. Got Windows 7. We got I don't know why it says that right there, 3.8 gigabytes usable. I probably gotta switch up some BIOS settings or something. The i5, and then of course it's genuine. Alright guys, my computer build is pretty much done. It's not done for me. I'm still gotta upgrade a lot more things on it. But that's pretty much how you get a pretty good, decent gaming computer for $150. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, Ricky the Hacker Guy out.